Holcim UK is a leader in circular construction and the processing of construction demolition materials, otherwise known as CDM. We do this by setting ourselves challenging targets and by striving to incorporate circular thinking into all that we do. This helps to preserve our natural resources, as well as avoiding unnecessary waste from being sent to landfill. 2023 saw us process 1.5 million tonnes of CDM, and last year we processed over 2 million tonnes. From there, we are aiming to achieve over 3 million tonnes in 2025, rising to more than 5 million tonnes by 2030. So, how exactly are we able to achieve this? We do so by taking a number of material streams, which we selectively sort, screen and crush before recycling the material back into new products. Our strategically located super hub sites have the capability to receive waste before it undergoes processing. Across the UK, we also have 19 sites processing reclaimed asphalt pavement, or RAP, which sit alongside the network of recycling hubs. Among these super hub sites is our Morden Wharf site in the heart of London, one of the most active recycling centres in the Holcim global network, and at the heart of our circular construction efforts here in the UK. The UK capital is one of the world's largest urban mines, thanks to the pace of progress and change, which results in hundreds of demolition projects taking place in tandem with the construction of new buildings. Our CDM London business is involved with a large number of major projects, whether that is through removing waste and CDM from construction sites or providing new recycled products through the processing of CDM. In 2024, a total of 603.2 kilotons of waste was imported to the site. From this, we successfully recovered and recycled 389 kilotons, achieving a recovery rate of approximately 64.5%, returning the material back into the construction industry as recycled products. Our target is to increase this to 650 kilotons by 2030. Once the material arrives at our facility, the process begins with the weighbridge, where each consignment of waste is accurately weighed and recorded for reporting purposes on our CDM volumes. The waste is then deposited in our screening area ready for processing. From there, the materials handler loads the waste into our Phase 1 plant for the first stage of processing. During this stage, the waste is separated into 3 size categories: oversized, mid-sized, and undersized. The undersized material then passes through the Phase 2 plant for further refinement, where it is separated into 3 additional products. Oversized and mid-sized material is then transported to the crushing area. An impact crusher then crushes this material into a 0 to 50 mm product. The product is then fed into a stacker conveyor, which leads to the finished stockpile. This material can be sold as a Type 1. It can also be fed into our 4-way screener to produce 0 to 4 mm, 4 to 10 mm, 10 to 20 mm, and 20 to 40 mm products. Project CDM London has been involved with supporting include Silvertown Tunnels, the Olympic Park, and UK Power Network. One signature project CDM London has played a part in, alongside our London Holcim ready-mix teams, is at nearby Canary Wharf. The iconic towers from London's famous skyline that were previously used solely by the city's major businesses and financial institutions are now being reimagined as an urban hub for living and socialising. Over a number of years, we have established a strong partnership with the Canary Wharf Group, with both parties committed to low carbon and circular construction. Canary Wharf Group's new Wood Wharf development is aiming to create 2 million square feet of high-quality commercial and residential spaces by the waterside, while demonstrating both reduced embodied carbon and circularity in their build. We took 2,500 tonnes of demolished concrete from an obsolete marine dock at Canary Wharf and processed that material into recycled concrete aggregate, RCA, for a low-carbon eco-packed mix in 2 new towers at Wood Wharf. This really is true circularity in action.